Hi everyone, it's Kowalski here, and I'd like to welcome you back to our series on the 2025 Elastic CTF version 3. Let's jump right into challenge number 15. Great. So the next clue comes from the alert titled Scanning and Beaconing Anomalous User-Agent Strings. That is another detection surfaced by Elastic's machine learning. This time, focus on identifying unusual or suspicious user agent strings, often associated with automated tools or command and control activity. Within the alert details, you'll find the anomalous value highlighted in the by value field. This is the exact user agent string that triggered the alert. Now, it's time to bring in your AI powered partner. Leverage the Elastic AI assistant to decode the suspicious string. So, what we have to do is to copy the user agent string from by field value, paste it into Elastic agent assistant, and ask it to decode and analyze the user agent to understand what type of activity or tooling may be in play. All right, so let's go find some anomalous user agent string and leverage Elastic's AI assistant. You don't need this again to help us finding that. All right, so in here we have to pass logs again. So remember the query language that we used where we filtered the Kibana alert rule name to scanning and beaconing abnormal process arguments. This time it is going to be for anomalous user agent strings. So that will be the main difference. So we can go back and then input the same thing that we did. So we say not Kibana alerts group ID. I thought that was good. Yeah, we needed you, and then we pass it a value to a wildcard. That means everything. And the next thing we have to also not include the source IP address that was given previously. Source IP. Okay, let's build that over here. Let's build that over here. Sorry about that. Okay, so not the source IP, that is 198.51.100.100, and instead of us looking for abnormal process args, now we're looking for abnormal user agent strings. So the query language will be issued very soon, I hope. Great. So now that is being built, and I will paste that in now. So just as we did, the only thing that changes in this scenario is the abnormal loss user agent string. We pass this. Great. And now we have to pass through the logs to see what is missing. We're looking for user string, that is anomalous. Then we can leverage AI assistant to help us decode the user string, which we know might be tied to. Here we go. All right, so this is it, and we can find the details. In here, we go to table, and then we're given the all fields value, and then you can see the all fields value. And that is user string that is not normal or usual. So we copy all of this and then tell the AI assistant, hey, you know what? Help us decode and analyze this user agent string and determine what kind of activity or tooling may be in play. All right. So help us analyze and decode the following user agent string and inform us about what activity or tooling is in play. And that we supply what we copied from the all field value string, that is the user agent string, and pass it to the AI assistant. So now we wait for Elastic's AI assistant to help us decode these. And of course, the first one, which we see here, I mean, we know that this is exempted, so we might not pay attention. What we might need is just this. So we wait for AI to understand, pass, and then do its magic. And we're seeing that there is an error. All right, I didn't foresee this coming. So that's, and let's see, that's if Anthropic is not working in at play, then we'll just use a different AI agent, maybe ChatGPT as the agent here. All right, so that didn't work out the way I expected. That's no problem. What we can do, let's say if we can just use ChatGPT as the assistant and try again. If that doesn't work, we find an alternative way to decode the string. All right, so it looks like ChatGPT has picked it up and the assistant is on its way. Great. Okay. All right, but where is the decode? All right, so let's say help decode this. So the raw strings, probably, and the encoded string. Nice work. So this is the decoded string from in here. That is from this part, and that is what we probably need to answer our challenge. So we go in